Sunday 5 p.m. Sitting alone in a park. There was this lady walking by. She glanced at me. For a second I recalled her face, such a long time ago. I moved to another town, I never saw her again. She looked in my eyes and said, somewhat surprised, "Hey, is that you? With a cold and certain voice?" "Oh yes, it's me," I mumbled, a bit unsure. Cause what happened that evening is still clear in my mind. Lady sunny afternoon, oh lady sunny afternoon, on a lazy Surrey afternoon. It's a lazy Surrey afternoon. And in that moment I realized, well, we can't turn back the time. For all what happened then, and all that followed was mine. I felt caught and betrayed then, and after all, who's to blame? And one might ask himself, well, who committed that crime anyway? Lady sunny afternoon, oh lady sunny afternoon, on a lazy Surrey afternoon. It's a lazy Surrey afternoon. For a second we looked at each other, and we were quiet for a while. The silence felt so much harder than all those years before.